Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 29th October 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at $107.75 in the noon closing hours, up by 1.33% from the previous session. The price opened at $107, moved a high of $107.90 and a low of $106.65. The price rebound came amid improving sentiment in China's steel market, supported by signs of recovering demand and expectations of additional policy measures to stabilize the property and infrastructure sectors. Market participants also noted firmer steel margins and a modest pickup in restocking activity by Chinese mills ahead of year-end. Overall, sentiment remains cautiously optimistic as traders monitor industrial output trends and China's near-term stimulus outlook. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market moved upward today, with prices rising across major hubs. Trading activity improved, driven by cautious restocking from traders and a steady pickup in demand from end users. Overall sentiment remained positive as market participants anticipated sustained momentum in the near term. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,200 rupee to 8,300 rupee per ton ex-bar bill, showing a stable market. Pellet sponge trading levels around 22,300 rupee to 22,400 in Raipur, up by 300 to 400 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 34,600 rupee to 34,700, up by 200 to 300 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 37,400 rupee to 37,500 for the grade Fe500, price up by 200 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.